What's up, ComSci community? Welcome back to my 100 Days of Code challenge. This is day number 4 and I coded for about 2.5 hours today. So I started off on Team Treehouse and I learned about the display as well as the positioning properties in CSS. And then I jumped back in my portfolio and I finished out the project section. So as I said, I only have one project aside from this portfolio that I'm working on. So I just used that same project for the other 3 placeholders. So it's going to be a total of 4 projects, but let's just jump right on and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, here we are back in my portfolio, and if we scroll down we see the About Me section that I added yesterday. I did go ahead and just put these lines on new paragraph sections, it just spaces it out a little bit better. I like the look of that a little bit better, but that's a really small change. This is the main thing that I worked on today, is the project section. So I basically made different cards for each project. There's going to be 4 projects in total. I already have a computer science blog called ComSci Central. It's at compscicentral.com if you guys want to check it out. And this is going to be a clickable link that takes you to it, but it's not clickable just yet. And eventually I'm going to develop 3 more projects that are going to take up these 3 placeholders. So I think that looks fantastic. I'm really happy with the progress so far. So again, I'm using Anya Kubo's tutorial. I highly recommend it. It's really good, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. So the last thing that I need to do is basically add a footer section. And then I'm also going to make it a little bit more mobile friendly, and according to the tutorial we're also going to add a little hamburger menu, a little drop down for the mobile layout when you're viewing this from the phone. So okay, well that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I'm definitely having a lot of fun with it. I'm learning a ton, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, take care. See ya.